Hello, grade 9 students. Welcome to Mathematics A, student book 1 lesson. So this is the uh, second day of your theory video series. So you have two video types, the theory and homework. So you can see that what is the content looking at the thumbnail. It specifically mentions theory 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the order. So then separately you have homework 1, 2, 3, likewise the homework video series. So then all the homework sums will be uploaded to the homework series, and the theory related stuff and the examples and everything will be uploaded to the theory thing. So then the order will be theory 1, 2, 3. You just look at the thumbnail and see whether you are watching the videos in order. So then this will be theory 2. The earlier video, it is theory 1. And then I have uploaded the homework one also. Now this is theory 2. When you have always theory 1, then homework 1. Theory 2, homework 2. Theory 3, homework 3. That is how it flows. Therefore, please go to the YouTube channel and go to the video section, then you can find the order. Or else you can go to the Edexcel Mathematics playlist. There you can find all the videos in order. Okay. So then today our topic is multiplying, dividing fractions, right? Multiplying and dividing fractions. So that is the part we want to discuss today. When you're multiplying fraction, what you want to do? Children, now take your theory book. Now, by now, you know that when I ask you to get the theory book, what you are supposed to do, you want to put the date. Today it is 6th of August, right? Today it is 6th of August, 2025, right? You put the date and you write the subtopic. Subtopic is multiplying fractions, right? You write multiplying fractions, right? Fractions, multiplying fractions. I will show you a few examples similar to the examples they have given. Let's say you want to multiply 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. So simply what you want to do, children, you multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominators separately. 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 3, 6. That is the first example. Then the second example under this, what you want to do, here you just see 1 over 2, 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3. When you are doing this kind of sum, children, you can follow the method I use in the first question. What I did over there, I just multiply the numerators, then I just multiply the denominators. 1 times 2, 2, and 2 times 3, 6. That is one way to do that, but I can see that this is not the simplest version. I can simplify this. How can I simplify this? 2 over 6 fraction. I divide this by 2. I divide this by 2. And I get the final answer 1 over 3. Or you can do this in a different way. So look at this and try to understand. You know these things, you have done them, but I'm just revising by any chance if you can't remember them. 1 over 2, you have 2 over 3. You just see whether you have any numbers where you can simplify before multiplying. Yes, I can see that two numbers here, 2 and 2. So then like this, I can simplify. Okay. So then keep this in your mind when you're cancelling off the numbers like this, when you're simplifying, those two numbers should be in two different locations. So that means the one number should be from the numerator, the other number should be from the denominator. For an example, if you have something like this, let's say multiplying by 2 over 3, can you cancel that 3 and 3? No, you can't, because both the numbers are in the same location, the denominator, right? But by any chance, if you have 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 5, you can cancel these 3 because they are in two different locations. Another option I will tell you. Let's say you have something like this, 3 over 6 multiplying by 4 over 5, something like this. Can you simplify this? Yes, you can simplify. How? 3 times 1, 3 times 2. Now you might think that earlier I did it in a different way, that I took the numerator value from one fraction, the denominator value from the other fraction. But the last example, I have chosen the numbers from the same fraction itself. It doesn't matter. Either you are taking the numbers from the same fraction or the other fraction. That's not the story here. So you want to choose the two numbers to simplify, one from the denominator, the other one from the numerator. It can be from the same fraction or the different fraction. Hope it is understood, it is clear. So then you can't do something like this. This is wrong, right? So this is wrong. You can do something like this because the numbers are in two different locations, and this is also correct. So what is the difference between these two versions, 1 and 2? In the version 1, you have chosen the numbers in different fractions, and the second version you have chosen the numbers from the same fraction, but still they are in two different locations. Therefore you have done the correct thing, right? So then when you're simplifying, you want to keep these things in your mind. I will explain it separately, and then you can copy down it here. 1 times 1 1, 1 times 3 3, right? So then what I'll do, I take the black color. Yeah, this is a special thing. No, I take the black color and show you. If you have 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 like this, if you cancel like this, so then you want to understand this is wrong. You don't do it like this. This is wrong. Okay. But if you do it like this, that you have, let's say, 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 5, then 3 times 1 and 3 times 1. So this is correct. This is correct. The other one, let's say I took that, let's say 3 over 6 multiplied by 4 over 5. Then you simplify 3 times 1 and 3 times 2. That is also correct. Why the last two examples are correct? Because you have chosen the numbers from two different locations. Maybe from the same fraction, maybe from different fractions. The most important thing, selecting numbers from different locations, right? So then the next example they have given that you want to multiply 1, 2 over 3. Third example, 1, 2 over 3, right? 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Now here, children, you have a mixed number and a fraction. What you can do? You just convert the mixed number into an improper fraction first. That is the first thing you should do. 3 times, by now you know how to do this, because the last two videos we discussed how to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions, how to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. We have discussed these things. Now I'm not explaining them. I straight away get the answers. So then 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 5. So can I simplify something? Yes, 5 and 5 I can simplify. So then my answer will be 4 over 3. 4 over 3 means 4 divided by 3. So then when I simplify this, it gives me 1 over 3. So then I'll go to the next example, children. The next example, 1 over 3, that is correct. 5 multiplied by 3 over 10. Now what has happened, children? You have a whole number and a fraction. When you have something like this, first you convert this 5 into a fraction. How do you do that? 5 over 1, right? Nothing changed in the value. When you write 5 as 5 over 1, so then it is just the same value. I write it as 5 over 1 and multiply it by 3 over 10. So then I have 5 times 1 and 5 times 2. So then 1 times 3, 1 times 2. So then I have 3 over 2, 2 times 1, 2, and 1 remainder, right? So then how I'm going to write it? 1, 1.5. And the other thing, children, so though I show all these steps like this, that by now you should be able to take the final answer. 3 over 2 means 1.5. 4 over 3 means 1/3. So those things should come to your mind automatically. So that is called the practice, right? I'm telling again and again, children, mathematics is not a subject where you can by heart and write the answers. That is something you can do with the practice. The more you practice, more you can do the sums in the exam. So that's the equation. So you don't have any other super magical things or the rocket science concept to do this. So you want to practice more, then you can do more sums in the exams correctly, right? So then 1.5. So then we will move to the next one, right? The division of fractions. So the dividing fractions. Now you go to the theory book. So then you move to the next topic. I'll write here. I have enough space. Dividing fractions. Dividing fractions. What is the first example they have given? 1 over 2 divided by 3. Right? 1 over 2 divided by 3. 1 over 2 divided by 3. What has happened here? A fraction and a whole number. First, I convert 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 1. First, I write the whole number as a fraction. Then you can convert the division into multiplication. When you convert the division into multiplication, you want to get the reciprocal of the next fraction. That 3 over 1 will become 1 over 3. Then you can easily do this. 1 times 1, 2 times 3, 6. So then the answer is 1 over 6. Now let's say you have 2 divided by 1 over 3. Now we'll see what happened. Now let's say you have something like this. 2 divided by 1 over 3. Again, you do the same thing, children. If you have a whole number, first you convert it into a fraction 2 over 1 divided by 1 over 3. Then you convert the division into multiplication. And when you convert the division into multiplication, we know the second fraction, which is after the division sign, will take its reciprocal. So this becomes 3 over 1. You can't simplify this straight away. You can get 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 1, 1. The final answer is 6. Hope it is clear for all of you. If you have a fraction and a whole number, before doing anything, you just convert the whole number into a fraction. So then that gives you 3 over 1 or 2 over 1. Then you convert the division sign into multiplication, and you know when you convert the division into multiplication, the second fraction, which is after the division sign, will take its reciprocal. Then you can do the rest as usual. So then we'll see that how we can do another question. 1, 2 over 3. The third one, 1, 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. 5 over 6. Now what happened? You have a fraction. Write it nicely. 5 over 6. You have a mixed number and a fraction. So then what you do? So did I write 1, 2 over 3, 5 over 6? 2 over 3, 5 over 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5 over 3 divided by 5 over 6. Now that is done. What I did here in the first step, I converted the mixed number into an improper fraction. That is done. Then I want to convert the division sign into multiplication. So then the second fraction will take its reciprocal, 6 over 5. Now you just see I use different colors in the exam. You don't want to do that. But I'm doing here to show you, the illustrate you in a clear way, that I can take 5 times 1 and 5 times 1. So then I take another color. You just see 3 times 1 and 3 times 2. Right? So then finally, what will be the answer? 1 times 2, 2, and 1 times 1, 1. The answer is 2. Hope it is clear how I simplified that. 5 and 5 we can cancel off. So then the next one, 3 times 1 and 3 times 2, you just look at the green color one. But if I write everything in the same color, later you can't understand what I have done. That is why I showed it in different colors, but you can do it with the same color. That's totally fine. So then the question number 4, in your theory book, you can show it like this if you have different colors. But in the exam or when you're doing the sums, you don't want to do it like that. Then the next one, 9 divided by 1, 9 divided by 1, 1 over 5. First, I write that 9 as a fraction. Then I convert the same step I can do, the mixed number into improper fraction. 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 over 5. So then I have 9 over 1 multiplied by 5 over 6. So then how can I simplify this? 3 times 3. 3 times 2. So then can I simplify it further? No. 3 times 5, 15. 1 times 2, 2. Then I divide 15 by 2. 2 times 7, 14. 1 remainder. How you are going to write the final answer? 7, 1 over 2. Now children, you can understand by now. Be thorough with the multiplication tables is very, very important. If you are struggling with the multiplication table by now, please practice. Please do the sums. Because now you just see, when I see 9 and 6, it comes to me, that it comes to my mind automatically. Okay, I should divide this by 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. It comes automatically with the practice. Otherwise, that you have to do 9 times 5. So I'll show you that the second method to do this when you have something like this, children. So let's say if you have something like this, O, you can simplify this in a different way. How? 9 times, without simplifying, 9 times 5, 45. 1 times 6, 6. So then you divide this by 3. You divide this by 3. It gives you 15. This gives you 2. Then you get the final answer, 1 over 2. Right? The earlier question is also like that. So then it is 7.5. Then next one, 2 2/3. 2 2/3 divided by 2 2/3 divided by 4. Now see what happened, what I am doing. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Divided by 4 over 1. Then what I do? 8 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 2. So then 2 over 3 is the final answer. Right, so then that is all about dividing fractions. So then the next day, the next theory session will be adding and subtracting fractions. But here we discuss about the division and multiplication of fractions. Slowly I will move my screen and see whether you have understood everything. By any chance, if you can't understand, pause the video, go back and watch it back. Maybe 2 times, 3 times, watch it back and try to understand. You can copy down everything in your theory book. So by now you know how to maintain your book. Please copy down everything and then you can do the sums. So then what are the homework sums you want to do here? That this time I don't give you all the things here in question exercise 2 star. You want to do exercise 2 star, the homework, right? So this will be the homework, exercise 2 star. Homework, exercise 2 star and exercise 3 star, right? Exercise 2 star and 3 star will be the homework. But if you have time, you can do the other exercises too better if you can do them, right? But I will discuss exercise 2 star and 3 star, plus I will discuss the word problem of exercise 2 and 3, right? Word problem I will discuss that. Here you want to do 2 star all the sounds now. In exercise 2, you want to do these 2 word problem. In exercise 3 also, even though I discuss only 3 star, I will discuss the last 2 word problems in exercise 3. Hope it is clear. If need, I will write that what will be the homework that you want to do. Exercise 2 and 3, you want to do the word problems. And exercise 2 star and 3 star, you want to do all the sums. So that will be your homework. Wait, I will use a different color. Yeah, the homework sums. Exercise 2 and 3, you want to do the word problems only. And 2 star and 3 star, you want to do all the sums. Okay, children, we'll meet again with the next video. The next video will be homework number 2. See you then. Be thorough with everything. So then move to the next part. See you, children. Bye.